Dear students, welcome to English Literature class. Today we are starting the chapter Robin Becomes an Outlaw. So kindly take out your English literature books at page number 137. This chapter is written by an American illustrator and author, Howard Pule. So Robin Becomes an Outlaw. This is video number 1. So let's start with warm up. So a band of outlaws with Robin Hood as its leader robbed from the rich and gave to the poor, and continually foiled the evil attempts of the Sheriff of Nottingham to bring them to justice. Robin Hood, a champion of the poor and oppressed, remains determined to outwit his enemies. So, Robin Hood, you all must have heard, Robin Hood was a young man. He was known for his mastery in archery, and he fought for the rights of the poor and ill treated people. He helped the poor generously, but he was declared as an outlaw. So let's underline here outlaw. Outlaw means a person punished by keeping him outside the protection of law. So he was declared as an outlaw, and underline band here. Band means a group. So many other joined him. They were also outlaws. So he had a band of outlaws and he was the leader of those outlaws. So they all robbed from the rich and distributed amongst the poor people, and continually foiled the evil attempts of the Sheriff of Nottingham to bring them to justice. Underline continually. Continually means continuously. Underline foiled. Foiled means prevented. Underline attempts. Attempts means he make an effort. Oppressed. Oppressed means ill-treated people. Underline outwit. Outwit means outshine. So here Robin Hood, he continuously tried to give justice to the people as the sheriff. Underline sheriff. Sheriff is the chief officer of Nottingham. Nottingham is in England, and sheriff was not a good person. He was an evil person. So Robin Hood tried to save people from the evil attempts of the sheriff and try to give them justice. Just underline justice. Justice means fair trial. So Robin Hood, a champion of the poor and oppressed. Underline oppressed. Oppressed means ill-treated people. So he was the champion of, he was the leader of those people. Remains determined and outwit his enemies. So he was really focused that he's going to help these people and give them justice and outshine his enemies. Now let's start the chapter. Many years ago, when King Henry ruled over England, there lived an outlaw, Robin Hood, in green forest of Sherwood near Nottingham. So many years ago in England, when King Henry was the ruler, he ruled over England, there lived an outlaw, a man who was punished by keeping him outside the protection of law, and he was called as Robin Hood. He lived in the green forest of Sherwood near Nottingham, that is in England. No other archer could shoot an arrow as skillfully as he could. So I've already told you that Robin Hood was a very good archer. He was very good at shooting with arrows. Underline skillfully. Skillfully means cleverly. And he used to do it very nicely. He used to do it very well. So he was very good at shooting with arrows. He had a merry band of 150 men. Underline merry. Merry means cheerful. Band means group. So he had a group of about 150 men. All of them outlaws, and they all were declared outlaws. As Robin Hood was declared as an outlaw, so they all were also declared as outlaws. But people loved them very much, and whoever came to Robin for help never went away empty handed. Underline empty handed, and that means bringing nothing. So Robin Hood was loved by people. Why people loved him? Because he helped the poor. He helped the poor generously. He robbed from the rich and gave it to the poor. So the poor people loved him, and whosoever came to him for any help never went empty handed. That means he used to get something or the other. Robin grew up in a small town near Sherwood Forest. When he was 18, he was a strong young man with a bold heart. Underline bold. Bold means courageous, daring. So Robin Hood was very daring, and when he was just 18 years old, he was very strong. He was courageous and daring. He was not afraid of anyone. Soon after, the Sheriff of Nottingham announced a shooting match. The winner would get a fine bow and a sheaf of arrows along with a drum of ale. Ale is it means beer. Sheaf, underline sheaf, number of arrows tied together. That is sheaf. So the Sheriff of Nottingham, he announced a shooting match, and the winner would get a fine bow and a sheaf of arrows along with a drum of ale. That means beer. Robin wanted to win the match for the prize and also to win a smile from Maid Marian, his childhood playmate and his sweetheart. So Robin wanted to win this match not only for the prize but also to win a smile from Maid Marian. Now underline Maid Marian. Maid Marian. Who was Maid Marian? She was Robin Hood's childhood playmate and his sweetheart. Underline sweetheart. Sweetheart means lover. Maid Marian was the daughter of an earl, and Robin was just a landowner's son. So Maid Marian was the daughter of an earl. Underline earl. Earl is a rank or the title given in Britain to the nobles, the high class people. Whereas Robin Hood was just a landowner's son. But they loved each other deeply. So they were deeply in love with each other. So we'll continue in the next video. Thank you.